Hey there, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today is when all the fun came together in this deer skull made with wood flowers. This template of this deer skull was accomplished in another video. I will link in the description box to that video. The substrate that I'm working on is just some 1x6 boards that I laminated together. I will do a video on that later if you don't know how to do that. And here I'm just kind of trying to roughly figure out the distance to make sure that my skull is actually centered on this substrate. So once I finish that, you'll see that I'm going to stain it. I will also link in the description box to the stain that I used. It has become my favorite. I do most all of my home decor using that stain. So here I am about ready to stain it, and I just use literally shop towels, like mechanic shop towels, or rags. And obviously it never ceases to amaze me. I could wear gloves every single time, but I will always end up with stain under my fingernails. It's the craziest thing. Anyway, so I don't ever, a lot of videos will tell you to slap on the stain with either a chip brush or a sponge brush, and I just feel as though that is such a huge waste. I just dip my rag into my stain and stain away. I'm not wasting anything. I'm kind of doing the whole process at the same time. So anyway, there you just saw me find center again and trace with a woodworking or a construction pencil the outline of the skull template. And here, so these wood flowers, you could see in some of them where they're put together at the bottom, they kind of stick out. So for them to lay flat, I just took a pair of scissors and gently cut off those areas so that they could lay a little more flat. Some of them I left on because it's nice to be able to use those smaller flowers to kind of tuck into tight spots. So it's nice to have that that little bit to just really tuck in and then be able to glue it well into place. So I'm kind of just going through all of them right now and then trying to figure out, what looks good and positioning which flower I want where. And so it kind of looks a little uniform and not so, where it still looks uniform, but it's still kind of random at the same time. So here goes the gluing part. And I just literally picked up a Stanley hot glue gun at Ace Hardware to get this job done. I'll try to find a link to that to put in the description box as well. And away I go, and it's just a process, and trying to figure out what's going to go best where, and to make sure that you're filling in the entire area. You can't really see the pencil lines, but I can, so that's all that matters. I really love the flowers that have kind of the skin still on them. These are amazing flowers. I mean, I don't even know how somebody has the patience to make all of these little things, but they're pretty incredible and perfect for this type of home decor. And I love that, it allows you to be really rustic looking in your wood and your stained wood, but yet really beautiful and frilly for, just really nice decor. So anyway, kind of have to, you'll see me with my hand over the top of them like, okay, stay there. But this glue gun, boy, it really heats that glue up. I burnt myself a couple times, not realizing my finger was going into the glue as I was trying to put it down. So you really kind of have to hold on and push down on the flowers until the glue starts to somewhat set up. And so here I'm going to go in a little bit of a fast motion so you don't have to be bored with watching everything, but still be able to see the whole process happen. It's super fun, super fun. I cut out a heart one recently, and the greatest thing is with these wood flowers is that you can actually dye them, and I actually have an upcoming video for that. So this was actually a request from my daughter for this stair school, and she absolutely loves it. It'll go in her new home that she just moved into. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already subscribed, I would really appreciate that. Take care, and I'll see you on the next video.